All right, we're going to do the frog pond assignment. Let's just run it first, see what happens. I'm giving you code that creates and jumps and prints 20 frogs. All right, and then your assignment is right here. In the main method, go through the pond array list and remove all frogs that have jumped less than 30 spaces. You'll see here I was jumping them up to 40, or really up to 39. So it's going to remove a lot. Count how many frogs you remove. Use a regular for loop to print the remaining frogs and print the number removed at the end like this, 12 frogs removed. Remember, to find a frog's location, you need to use get location. And also remember that when you're potentially removing items from an array list while traversing it, you must go backwards from the end. All right, let's do this. We're going to do a regular for loop. We're going to start at the end. Pond.size -1. Keep going as long as I is greater than or equal to 0, and I minus minus. We're going to go backwards. All right, and we're going to say if pond.get I dot get location. This gets us the current frog and gets the location. If it's less than 30, then pond.remove I. Except we better go to a new line because we have more than one thing we got to do here. Just remembered we got to make a count variable before the for loop, and right here, because we deleted somebody, we're going to add 1 to the count. Okay, and then when it's all done, I said use a regular for loop. And I equals 0, I less than pond.size plus system println pond.get I. And then I didn't use curly brackets because I only had one line in the for loop, and now I'm going to print system.println count frogs removed. Should work, we'll see. 20 frogs and then 17 frogs removed. That looks good, right? And there's 3 frogs left, and they're far away frogs. Conceivably, you could get 20 frogs removed, and then there would be no frogs left. But here we had 14 frogs removed, meaning 6 were left. I mean, it's random, so. 18 frogs removed. I think you get the point, though. I want to see what happens if they're all removed. So I'm going to just change this number for a second to 20 so that every single one will have hopped less than 30 so that all them will be removed. And we'll just make sure it doesn't crash. Ooh, 20 frogs removed. Yeah. Anyway, that was just a test. So kind of how my mind thinks. I like to try to break things. All right. I hope that helped.